Hello there. If you've been tuned into Weatherwise this week, you will know about the powerful winter storm that hit the northwest of the US, bringing a winter's worth of snow in just a day. Now that's whisked its way eastward and it's still causing problems. Warnings are out widely across many northern, eastern and southern states, with the risk of tornadic activity across southern areas, of freezing rain and heavy snow further north. So some quite vicious weather around through the course of the weekend here, and in the northwest, well, the next storm's moving in here to bring yet more snow and rain. And the concern for the northwest is now that we could see some of the worst flooding for parts of Washington state and Oregon for several years, in fact for decades potentially, because not only have we got the rain coming in, we've got the snow melt as well. So one system moves out the way gradually during the course of Sunday, not before it's giving us some pretty vicious weather around, and we've got that next system, as you saw, sprinting across towards the northern plains and the Great Lakes. Following hot on its heels on Sunday, the next weather system moves in. Yes, it'll bring some snow initially, perhaps even to lower levels for a time before the milder weather gets in. It's because we've got low pressure anchored off the northwest Pacific to the north, to the west of Alaska, and that's throwing these weather systems in, and it will continue to do so for the next 2 or 3 days. So we're certainly not out the woods yet. And of course, to the south of that, we're dragging in all the warmer air that we've got across the southern side of the United States and down to Mexico, and as it's drawn in as well off the Gulf of Mexico, and it comes up against this really cold air coming down from the north. That's why we're getting some really lively stormy weather as well. So yes, Sunday, another batch of wintry weather, heavy snowfall and blizzards heading their way towards the Great Lakes. As you can see, the potential once again for some severe storms on that trailing weather front crossing southern and eastern areas, and yet more rain and snow for the Pacific Northwest as well, with strong winds. So lots to watch out for across the USA and indeed Canada at the moment. They'll see some of that very heavy snowfall as well. There are warnings out quite widely, and as ever, we'll keep you updated here on the BBC.